Monday.com performance management tool of Group 5. Monday.com is an equal opportunity employer and bans discrimination and harassment of any kind. Monday.com is committed to the standard of equal employment opportunity for all employees and to creating and maintaining a workplace free of discrimination and harassment. All qualified applicants will be considered for employment without regards to race, color, creed, religion, national origin, ethnicity, sex, sexual orientation, gender, identity, national origin, age, service in the uniform, services, veteran, marital status, partnership status, family or parental status, pregnancy, physical or mental disability, or any other status protected by the laws or regulations in the locations where Monday.com operates. Monday.com will not tolerate discrimination or harassment based on any of these characteristics. Task management is made easy with Monday.com. Task lists are easy to adjust and assign to each team member, and to watch the to-do list of each employee change status in real time as they work on, complete or are stuck on projects. Organization and tasks on Monday.com are entirely customizable. Boost productivity by setting up your interface with the data and tasks you need, and easily organize everything to make it in the solution for all your business needs. Work management and productivity app designed to help your team. Monday.com can brings you all the collaboration and project management features you need to succeed. With Monday.com, you can view all projects and tasks with a single glance, and you can see your progress and what steps to take to keep moving forward. This is a great way to get a clear overview of all your projects and have your entire team aware of what's ahead. Monday.com, it is easily manage multiple projects from one place, create custom dashboards, assign teammates, and understand bottlenecks and risks so you can keep moving forward, and save valuable time by automating your project approvals and tasks. Use customizable forms to instantly create items on your boards to easily keep track of where everything stands. Monday.com collaborate with your team for all assignments with easy-to-use controls and work together as an organized group. Be a project manager with ease. Organize and manage projects, tasks, and teams from an initiative interface. Teamwork takes no work with task planner and project schedule features, so you can make sure that you're on a track with quick charts, check-ins, and deadline management. Also, Monday.com gives team the ability to build custom work application for any workflow. You can construct your apps to meet your specific operational requirements and customize your board, dashboards, and docs to perfectly suit your team, and it can be used for anything across teams, departments, leaders, and organizations, and for all types of projects and processes. In visual and initiative, Monday.com eliminates the needs for painfully long email threads and unnecessary meetings. All communications and files are centralized in one place, so you never miss any key information. This also makes it easy to collaborate across different locations, structures, and teams. Whether you're in and out of meetings, traveling a lot for work, or you're working after hours from your mobile phone, Monday.com has some great features to support you. First, you can send new items to a board on your Monday.com account from your email. This means if you're working from your email away from your desk, and if you think of a task to add a new item to an existing board, you can do it with just a few clicks of a button. You can also send an update to an existing item from your email. The dashboards are here to facilitate your workflow and make sure you stay updated on what is happening in multiple boards. This is great summaries, reports, and get a high-level view of everything that is important to you, and you can create a freestanding dashboard connected to multiple boards or create one within a single board.
The easiest way to understand our platform is by knowing all the parts that make up our system. So let's start with the basics. First, boards. Everything at monday.com starts with a board. It's the foundation of our platform. A board can be anything you can think of. Commonly thought, we see users building their boards around three things. First, projects like onboard these employees. And second, departments like everything the design department is doing this quarter. And lastly, products like build a chat bot by May 1st. Your board is where you'll manage your workflow and the activities that help you achieve your goals. And between each board, we have items and which can be tasks, activities, clients, or anything else you want. And the best part, boards are completely customizable and you can add columns for different use cases. Add as many items as you want. Assign any specific task to team members, measure the status of each task, and much more. In addition, you can start your board from scratch or choose one of our 200 plus pre-made templates. And here's the sum of our most popular templates include project planning template and resource management template, team task management template, sale process template, and social media planning template. And lastly, sprint planning template. And you can also set permission levels to make sure only relevant people can on your board. The second is columns. Columns are the building blocks of your workflow. They adapt to any process regardless of your industry. And we provide you with the following, which is democratic columns like people, country, phone, and email. And second, functional columns to oversee specific aspects of your project, location, progress, tracking, and color picker, formula, and time tracking. And lastly, columns to sort items based on specific information like text, numbers, tags, long text, item ID, and file. And third, views. Overseeing your data from different perspectives is crucial for effective decision making. That's exactly why our different data views are so helpful. View Views take data from your boards and help you visualize it in different ways. At monday.com, our views include files, map, timeline, Gantt chart, workload, chart, calendar, form, and Kanban. Each view helps you understand a different aspects of your project. For example, our timeline view helps you see your project timeline at a glance and make sure you're on track. Our Kanban views helps you visualize tasks and sprints and map out your workflow. And you can use our calendar view to distribute workload throughout the week, month, year, and more. You can easily change your board's view by clicking on the drop-down menu that says default and selecting your desired view. For dashboards, help you get valuable insight by seeing exactly what your team or business is working on all from a single place. You can pull information from a particular or multiple boards and make it available for your entire team. Dashboards are fully customizable too. You get access to over 20 different widgets to visualize the information that most important to you and track your progress against your KPIs. And for example, our workload widget helps you see the distribution of your team's workload and the schedule of everyone's tasks under one roof. Integrations. We understand that in today's day and age, most teams rely on different tools and apps. So you'll be glad to hear that monday.com integrates with your current software ecosystem. With over 40 integrations available, you can centralize all your work and have all your information handy in one place. You also get access to if this then that kind of receipts and simply choose the app you want to integrate with and select the action you want to happen next. Automations. According to Think Automation, roughly 8 out of 10 teams will soon reach a breaking point if they don't automate repetitive work. And with Monday.com, you can automate up to 250,000 human tasks in minutes. Some automation examples are dependencies, task status, item creation, and lastly, custom. And lastly, collaboration. As we stated earlier, Monday.com is a collaborative platform by nature. You can bring in your team members, assign tasks, communicate, and measure the progress of all of your projects in one place. And it's not just saying that. Many teams have improved their teamwork thanks to our system. For example, Genpact, a global professional services firm, improved cross-team collaboration by 40% using our platform, and they aren't alone.